Did you know jealous government officials once tried to kill a man just because he prayed? In ancient Babylon, Daniel was the king's most trusted advisor, but other officials hated him and searched desperately for any mistake in his work. They found nothing, so they crafted a deadly trap. They convinced King Darius to sign a law making it illegal to pray to anyone except the king for 30 days. Anyone who broke this law would be thrown to the lions. They knew Daniel prayed 3 times every day toward Jerusalem. Sure enough, Daniel kept praying. The jealous men reported him immediately. King Darius was heartbroken, but the law couldn't be changed. That night, as Daniel faced hungry lions, the king couldn't eat or sleep. At dawn, Darius rushed to the den and called out desperately. Daniel answered. God had sent an angel to shut the lions' mouths all night long. The furious king then threw Daniel's accusers and their families to the same lions, who devoured them instantly. Darius commanded his entire empire to fear Daniel's God.